CJ Bryant, and here is the tip of the day over a cup of coffee. And this coffee is brought to you by PJ's right here in Columbia, South Carolina on the northeast side. They're located right there on Spears Creek Road. I'm not a spokesperson, just wanted to share that information with you. Now, before I give you the tip, hit that like and subscribe button down below. What is the tip? The average person now is keeping their vehicle for between 7 and 8 years. That's the national average. The national manufacturer average still says 5 years. To make up the difference, one of the things I will recommend and give you the tip is pick up an extended warranty. The extended warranty will cover you as long as you have that vehicle. So again, you pay a little bit more now, but you save a whole lot later. I'm CJ Bryant, and this has been the tip of the day over a cup of coffee from PJ's. Thanks for watching.